think we're gonna have some really, really cool ones. We have a red garage, white garage, and a blue garage. Behind these doors, there is a cool vehicle in each. Which one should we open first? Red, white, blue, white, red, blue, white, red, blue. How about a blue? Just kidding, this is red. Okay, let's see who's inside. Whoa! This is a super cool vehicle. It's a bulldozer. Wow! And you can find one of these guys in the construction zone. That is really, really cool. Let's see who's hiding behind the white garage. Wow! It's a green tractor. Isn't this one cool? He has 4 wheels that are black and yellow. And you can find one of these cool little dudes on a farm. That is really, really cool. Working on a farm is a lot of fun and hard work. Now let's see who's behind the blue door. Wow, I think I know who this is. It's a gray and red tow truck. And it says 24-hour, which means 24-hour service. Day or night, whenever there's someone in need, he's here to help. You can find one of these guys pretty much anywhere, alongside any vehicle that needs help. Now, let's put our vehicles back inside the garage. Bulldozer, go back inside your red garage. Tractor, go back inside your white garage. And tow truck, go back inside your blue garage. Make sure you rest well, because there is a long day ahead of you tomorrow. Green color, where are you? Here! And here! Here I am, how do you do? It's green! Green! Blue color, where are you? Here! And here! Here I am, how do you do? It's blue! Blue! Purple color, where are you? Here! And here! Here I am, how do you do? It's purple! Yellow color, where are you? Here! Here I am, how do you do? It's yellow! Pink color, where are you? Here! Here I am, how do you do? It's pink! Red color, where are you? Here! Here I am, how do you do? It's red! Orange color, where are you? Here! Here I am, how do you do? It's orange! Red, pink, blue, green, purple, yellow, and orange. Here we have a giant parking deck playset. And this playset comes with a little car wash and a little gasoline pump. And here are all our vehicles. But it looks like none of them can move. They all ran out of gasoline. So let's give them some. Starting with the tow truck. Now the red bus. Next is the blue van. Then we have the yellow bus. Green bus is next. Then we have a blue police car. Here's an ambulance. Next we have a fire truck. Here's another one. Here's a small red car. And last we have the garbage truck. There we go. All our cars are full of gasoline and they're ready to ride. Now let's park some of them. Starting with the tow truck. On you go. Let's put you on level number 2. There you go. Now let's put the red bus on level number 3. And we'll park you right there. Next is the blue van. Let's put you on the highest level. That's level number 4. Oh no! Let's try that again. The van fell. Okay, let's give it another try. We're gonna put you on level number 4, the highest level. There you go. That's a success. Let's see who's next. Here we have a yellow bus. Up you go. You can go on level number 3 along with your red friend. The red bus. Who's your friend? There you go. Here we have yellow and red bus next to each other. Oh, okay. Next is a green bus. We'll put you next to your friends. And that's on level number 3. So then we have yellow bus, red bus, and the green bus parked right next to each other. Now let's see who's next. We have a police car. Let's park the police car on level 2 next to the tow truck. Alright. Now we have the ambulance. And the ambulance can also go on level number 2 next to your police car friend and your tow truck friend. Who's next? It's a fire truck. Let's put the fire truck also on level number 2. Next, tow truck, police car, and the ambulance. There you go. Here we have another fire truck. Let's park the fire truck on, how about level number 4? Next to the blue van. There we go. And you can park right there. Let's see who's next. Here we have a white car. But before this car parks, I think he needs a wash. There you go. Now up, up, up you go. We'll park you on level number 4 next to the fire truck and the blue van. There you go. And our last vehicle is the green garbage truck. We'll also park him on the top floor. There you go. This is a perfect parking place for you. And once
our vehicles are ready to leave the parking deck, they can do so. Like this. There you go. Now the red car. Okay, the green bus wants to leave next. Who's next? The blue van. Next is the police car. Now the tow truck. Now it's the ambulance. Then we have the red bus. Oh no, it's traffic! Here we have the yellow bus. And the last one, it's way back here, is the fire truck. Oh, not the last one, there's another one. We almost forgot this one.